the general equation for these. And what happens is, if it is on the outside of those absolute value bars, if it's a plus, we go up. If it's a minus, we go down. Okay? On the inside here, see the bars? On the inside of the bars, okay, does our left and our right. Okay? And this is the one that screws everybody up, but we really do the opposite. So if it says -4, we do +4. If it says +4, we do -4. And it shifts us left and right. And then the very last one, and this is what we're going to work on today that we didn't the other day, is this A, which is going to be our slope. Okay, and if it's a negative, the graph is going to be opening downwards. Okay, you have to have those notes. You don't have to have them memorized, but you have to have the notes in order for it to be able to work. Okay? Okay, so when we're looking at absolute value graphs, they are a graph that looks like a V, and it's a perfect V, and it has a slope of 1. Okay, so we could go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, and they're all pointed upwards unless they have a minus sign. Okay, and we always start at 0, 0. So on our very first one, at number 1, okay, we start at 0, 0. So we're going to start here at 0, and I just put little baby dots because we don't really need them, but that helps us to know how to shift it. Samantha,
Yeah.
okay, Sleepy McGee. Okay, so at 0, we start at 0. This +2 is on the outside. Okay, it's on the outside of the bars. So it says +2, so we're going to go up 2. Okay, because we can look at our thing and we're going to go up 2. So that puts us here. Okay, this +1 is on the inside of those bars. Okay, and so that does our left and right, and we do the opposite. So instead of +1, we're really going to go towards the -1. So from the 2, we go towards the -1. Okay, and now we've done everything with our numbers. So our graph starts here. We went up 2 and over 1. Okay, and this graph has a slope of 1. So we're going to go up 1 over 1 and put a dot. Up 1 over 1, put a dot. Up 1 over 1. And we got to do the other side. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And we can connect these to make us that nice V. Okay, so we went up 2 and over 1. Okay, that's how we got to our center dot. Okay, and then all those little points, you just go up 1 over 1, put a dot. Up 1, rise 1, run 1. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. All right? Okay, look at 3. Okay, we start at 0, 0, so you can put a 0 or dot on 0, 0. This -1 says what? What do we do with that?
Down.
We go down 1, so that puts us here. This is on the inside, +3. What's the inside do? The outside does up and down. The inside does
That's right.
left and right. Okay, so it says +3. Okay, so we don't, most of you guys would want to go +3, but we really do the opposite. So we're going to go -3, and we put a dot. Now, our slope is still 1, okay, but see how there's a negative out front, in the front of the bar? That means that our graph opens downward. So we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay, and you do the same thing for the other side. Down 1 over 1 this way, down 1 over 1 this way. Okay, and if we look, we went down 1 and over 3, and our graph opens down. Can I scroll? Okay, look at 5. What does this +4 on the outside do? we go up, down. So this does our up, down. So we're going to go up 4. What does this minus 4 on the inside do?
Left, right.
It does our left, right. Are we going to go left 4 or right 4? We're going to go towards the minuses 4 or towards the pluses 4? We do the opposite. So right now it says minus 4. So we're going to go towards the plus 4. Does our graph open up or down? Okay, and how we can tell, is there a minus sign out here or not?
Yes.
There is, which means my graph is going to open down. Okay, so we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay, look at 7. Okay, I got a plus 1 on the outside. What does the outside do?
Up, down.
It does an up, down. So we're going to go up 1 from 0. This minus 4 on the end, or plus 4 on the inside.
So you can go negative.
We're going to go towards the minus 4s. Okay, so minus 4. And does the graph open up or down?
It opens down.
How can you tell if it opens up or down?
If it's a negative or a plus.
If it's a negative, it's going to open down. So we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay, so we went up 1, and then we went over 4.
I'll check out music.
Out here, I'll say. Okay, number 9. What does this minus 2 do on the outside?
Going up and down, so it's down.
So we're going to go down 2. What about the plus 2 on the inside?
I'm gonna go with negatives.
We're going to go towards the negative 2. And then does the graph open up or down?
It opens down.
How do you know?
It's negative.
Because this negative out here says our graph opens downward. So we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Okay, so we went down 2, and then this plus 2, we do the opposite. So we went to the negative 2, and it opens down. Okay, look at 11. Okay, we start at 0, 0. What's this minus 3 do?
It goes down.
We go down 3. What about this minus 1 on the inside?
That's right, but it's gonna be going to the right.
It's going to be going to plus 1. Does the graph open up or down?
It opens down.
It's going to open down, so we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1.